Welcome to Foxtecc. If you've noticed that your iPhone is automatically enhancing your photos, you're not imagining it. The iPhone camera is designed to optimize images by default, but sometimes these automatic adjustments can be a little too aggressive. If you prefer more control over how your photos look, there are a few ways to turn off or bypass these enhancements. One of the main features responsible for auto-enhancing photos is HDR, or high dynamic range. This feature balances bright and dark areas in an image to make details stand out, but it can sometimes make photos look unnatural. On newer iPhones, HDR is controlled by Smart HDR, which applies these adjustments automatically. To turn it off, go to Settings, Camera, and disable Smart HDR. If you're using an older model, look for Auto HDR instead. It does the same thing. Beyond HDR, iPhones also apply automatic adjustments inside the Photos app when editing an image. If you open any photo and tap Edit, you'll see an Auto Enhance button, which applies suggested edits like brightness, contrast, and sharpness. If it's already applied, you can tap it again to see the original and decide whether you want to keep the changes or not. If you prefer full control, you can manually adjust each setting to remove any automatic enhancements. If any automatic edits have already been saved to a photo, you're not stuck with them. The Revert button inside the editing menu will always let you go back to the original version of the image, no matter how many adjustments were made. This ensures that you can undo any changes and get back to the untouched photo. For even more control, another option is to use a third-party camera app. Apps like Halide or Pro Camera allow you to manually adjust settings like exposure, white balance, and focus, things that the built-in camera app doesn't let you tweak as much. Apple prioritizes ease of use, which is great for quick shots, but if you want to avoid auto enhancements entirely, switching to a manual camera app is a solid alternative. That's how you can take more control over your iPhone photos and avoid automatic adjustments. If this video helped, make sure to like it and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.